Hi, my name's Richard, and today we'll be taking a look at our lightest and longest range road e-bike, the Fixie. The Fixie is our first ever carbon belt drive e-bike that provides a quieter, buttery smooth ride that lasts up to 3 to 5 times longer than traditional chains. It's available in 4 stunning colors: matte black, gloss silver, gloss turquoise, and gloss blue. It's also offered in 2 different frame sizes, 19 and 23 inches, so you're able to ride without compromise. The redesigned frame is made from 6061 aluminum alloy, making it highly resistant to stress and corrosion. On top of that, all Rise bikes have a water resistance rating of IP65, making it adapted for all types of weather conditions. We're excited to offer for the very first time our lightest e-bike, weighing in at only 34 pounds and designed with an integrated battery inside the down tube. It's perfect for riders looking for an e-bike without the extra bulk they traditionally come with. The controller, wiring, and vital electronics are now protected from the elements for added durability and longevity. Thanks to the advanced frame design, it has become the ultimate long-range road e-bike. Our engineers at Rise designed the Fixie with a focus on efficiency and convenience. Paired with a virtually maintenance-free belt drive, spend more time on your adventures without worry. Our belt drives are silent and buttery soft when riding. Plus, they don't rust or require any lubrication. Lasting 3 to 5 times longer than a traditional chain, they are an excellent choice for riders looking for a low-maintenance drivetrain. The 700C by 28C tires offer the rider a nimble handling experience. Expect quicker acceleration and less rolling resistance on the road. Optional fenders are available for riders looking to ride year-round to make sure you stay clean from mud, dirt, and water. We've also included a quick release axle so you can easily remove the front wheel for transportation purposes. For added comfort, we paired the Fixie with a cell rail cushion seat to absorb bumps on the road. The Fixie offers the comfort and convenience riders demanded in an everyday city commuter. Now let's talk about performance. The Fixie features a 36-volt 9.6 amp-hour battery which has a 340 watt-hour capacity, ensuring the motor receives the juice it needs to be running at peak performance. Paired with a 350 watt motor that puts out 45 newton meters of torque fitted on an aerodynamic frame, our riders can expect the best in-class range through various riding conditions. Maximize on the full power of the motor with the optional throttle without any pedaling required. On days you need a workout, simply adjust the pedal assist levels from 0 to 5 to dial in the exact assistance desired. With our simple yet effective cadence sensor, you can rely on it to activate your motor when pedaling so you can travel from point A to point B on demand. Our cadence sensors are mounted externally with a plug-and-play method, making servicing when necessary a hassle-free process. Safety has always been our top priority when engineering our bikes. New single-piston hydraulic disc brakes with ceramic brake pads come standard on the Fixie, offering the control and braking power necessary on e-bikes. Super bright front and rear LED lights are included to keep riders safe from dusk till dawn. To further increase visibility on the road, we included reflectors at the front lights, pedals, and wheels. The Fixie was designed with thoughtful features our riders demanded. With a heavy emphasis on efficiency and convenience, it has truly become the ultimate city road e-bike. If you have any questions about the Fixie, please don't hesitate to contact our in-house e-bike experts. Rise on!